Introducing the DrainVac 8000 by Vacuum Truck Supplies. This combination machine is designed for hydro excavation and drain cleaning work. The stainless steel body can hold 8,000 kilograms of waste, featuring 4,000 litres of freshwater storage. The hydro excavation system uses a U-door water pump, producing 17 litres per minute at 300 bar. This truck has a cassette-style boom with 150mm hose able to extend up to 15 metres from the boom. The vacuum system is a CVS liquid ring pump, 4,000 cubic metres per hour. It is super quiet and powerful. The drain cleaning system consists of 180 metres of 25mm drain cleaning hose on a hydraulic reel powered by a Pratasoli drain cleaning water pump, producing 346 litres per minute at 170 bar. Contact the team at Vacuum Truck Supplies on 1800 822 787 for more information.